Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be doing a freehand swirl snail art that's perfect for the upcoming Valentine's Day. I'm starting with applying a base color, and by the way, I already applied a base coat before applying this base color. After letting that to dry, I'm painting a red shade of swirl. Then I forgot to fill in the second color, so now I'm applying the third color. And after letting that to dry, it's time to apply top coat. And that's it! Super easy, right? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!